Here we are on threeriverfa.com under the Wholesale tab. To order wholesale, you can click on Wholesale Login and then enter your email and password and the green login button. You'll see the weekend wholesale period is currently open. I can click on Shop this period. You'll land on the site with featured products, and then over on the left side, you'll see a couple different menus. We have categories, so everything is broken down separately to make it a little easier. We also, using this left side menu, can search by producer, so a certain farm or a certain local producer, just to make it a little easier. And my favorite is attributes, so you can search the site based on just whether or not an item is certified organic or GMO free, for example. I will click on certified organic here, and you can see everything we have in that current period that is available that is certified organic. And you can click that off to go back to your regular filters here on the featured product page again. Another feature that we have is you can click on the name of a farm or a producer, and it will show a bio page with a link to their website and more information about their company. You can click more on the bottom to land on their specific page, and at the bottom it will show you all of the items that they have for sale in that current period. We can add an item to the cart by hitting the plus button. You can change the quantity if you wish and then add to cart. You can continue to shop or click on this prompt to review and confirm your order. Here we are seeing a message at the top that your order is not confirmed. You can click on the confirm order button on the right side to confirm your order. Remember that items in your cart are not reserved until you confirm your order, and we recommend you do that as early as you can in your ordering period. You can always go back and add to your cart right up until the window closes. Here on the left side, you'll see your information about your company, distribution information, and your payment information as well. For order windows, North Shore, Mass., Manchester, New Hampshire, and Seacoast area customers order between Friday at 10 a.m. through late Monday night at 2 a.m. for Wednesday delivery. Concord, New Hampshire area customers order between Monday at noon through Wednesday at midnight for Friday delivery. And Boston area customers order between Monday at noon through Wednesday at midnight for Sunday delivery. Thank you so much for supporting local agriculture with Three River Farmers Alliance.